What's up, YouTube? So I'm back. It's Tuesday, day after I started my new job. Of course, I'm at the same place that I've been for 5 years. I'm just an employee now, so but I have a little more responsibilities. You know how that goes. If they give you a little more cheese, they want a little more things to, you know, earn that cheese. So you know how that goes. But I'm gonna do a little cooking today, and I'll show you guys my garden that I've been wanting to do. Maybe it's because I'm getting old. Check it out. So the front rows are tomatoes. I think they're the grape tomatoes and regular tomatoes. This is rosemary. These two are jalapeno, or these three might be. Yeah, these three are jalapeno. Not sure what those are. Onion tops. And the very back 2 rows, I think, are cucumbers, and I could be wrong on that, but yeah, so I'm excited. You know, to use a lot of this stuff to cook, and if this does well, which I think it will, because my OCD, I can't let things not be taken care of. You know, I go through here and de-weed everything and all that stuff, so I think it'll be fine. We're gonna do watermelon, possibly cantaloupe and cabbage, maybe some other stuff too, I don't know. So but just wanted to show you guys this. If you know, y'all might see it in the background and wonder what it is. So I threw this together probably in like 2 weekends or so when I had spare time. So anyhow, I'm going to go set up the pit, and we're gonna start cooking, and I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be having for dinner tonight. So I will see you guys then. All right, folks, let's grab some delicacies to throw in there. We're gonna put the chicken on, and probably some sausage. Not sausage, sausage. Already got the pit ready. I mean, you guys saw I'll get it ready, so didn't need to show that again. But if you guys like to watch that, let me know. So you always put the bone side up like this. Look at that, boy. God, they don't. Hear that sizzling? All right. Throw this away. Try to use my other hand here so I don't get chicken juice on it. This ain't the good sausage we get in Louisiana, but it'll do. Just so it'll be a little easier to flip. All right. Yeah, what we using here? Kaneka. I forgot where that's made. Alabama, maybe. Yeah, Alabama. Look at that. Look at that. God, they don't. That's so beautiful, isn't it? There's something missing, though. Something missing. What could it be? Well, let me take my gloves off here. Let me close this. Make sure there ain't nothing. All right. Open my little stack. There we go. Make sure she's still keeping her temp there. Always try to keep this kind of cleared out, because you know, without this it's kind of not gonna be all that great. So let's see here. All right, so she's ripping now, so we'll let that cook for a little while. But what are we missing? You know what we missing. You know what we missing. Is this what we missing? Well, yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna put some good music on, probably some Down, and from New Orleans, Chalmette area. So we're gonna let this cook and give y'all an update later on. So see you guys then. All right, let's check, see what's going on. It's been 15-20 minutes. Always come check just to make sure. Look at that. Running low on adult beverages here, but we'll fix that here in a minute. I'm gonna flip these just so I don't burn them. Leave it open here for a minute, let the pit catch some air here. I don't want it to smother the fire. I don't know if you guys barbecue that much, that watch these videos, the 38 or 39 of you that do, but I've noticed, unless you got a super hot fire that you just can't control, you need to leave the pit open every now and then when you check your meat. And that way you're allowing the fire to stay hot, because I can tell you, putting my hand, you know, maybe an inch or two, it's not nearly as hot as it was when I, you know, first put the meat on there. So I'm gonna let it catch back up a little bit, and I'll tell you right here, it's hotish. It's pretty damn hot, but let it catch up a little bit. I have a lot of charcoal in there, so there's a lot of heat that can be generated. So I'm gonna let it catch up, and we'll come back to this later. I just wanted to show you guys a little update. See, it's kind of from the heat, which is normal. So anyway, we'll be right back after we let it cook for a little while, and got to get a refill of one of these. All right, YouTube, as you can see, the weather's still pissing on me, as you can see. Let's check this chicken out here. It's been raining probably non-stop. It probably just stopped here. So let's see. Still ain't done. It's getting there, getting there. Anyway, we're still cooking, guys. Just wanted to give you kind of an update, see so you can see some of the progress. I don't know if you guys cook chicken at all. Us poor folk, we cook a lot of chicken, but if you can twist this bone, like you typically can do it by hand if it's cooked. But if you twist this bone, it's done. It's ready to go. You ain't gotta cut nothing open, none of that stuff. And just letting the sausage kind of cook a little bit. So anyhow, when this is done, we'll have another little snippet and we'll show you what's up. So guys, here's a finished product. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Look at that. How they don't. And as you can see, I twisted it and you know it broke, so that means it's done. So we're gonna enjoy this wonderful meal with my family, and we're gonna get some more content for you guys, hopefully car stuff soon. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off, and we're gonna chow down. But thank you guys for watching. Have a good one. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Later.